All right, welcome back in year two, live now from Fox. I am Andy Mack. Thank you so much for joining us. We're seeing a video for the first time, body cam footage in the immediate aftermath of the July 13th assassination attempt on former President Donald Trump. It has been released by Iowa Senator Chuck Grassley, who obtained the video from Beaver County Emergency Services with a congressional request. Grassley released the video on social media on X with the following caption: "Sensitive content. July 13th body cam footage provides more information than Secret Service will share with America. We need detailed answers ASAP on security failures. Transparency begins with accountability. We do want to warn you, viewer discretion is advised during this video, as while we did blur the video, it does show some tense moments immediately after, real time happening as the shooter was neutralized on the rooftop at this rally in Butler, Pennsylvania. Again, viewer discretion is advised. Let's take you out to this breaking news, this body cam footage from that day, July 13th.
So we don't know. So this is the guy
yes, that they sent the yes, Beaver County sniper scene and sent the pictures out. This is him.
Okay, all right.
Rifle right there, obviously.
Got it. So the bike in the back. Is he on that bike?
We don't know.
We don't know. So
I
we're
don't
just
know.
treating that as suspicious device.
Oh, 1 second. I believe the sniper that seen these and sent the pictures is right inside this building. Michelle, is Greg in there? All right, so if you go to that window that's open and yell for Greg, that's the sniper that sent the original pictures and seen him come from the bike and set the book back down and then lost sight of him.
Okay.
He's the one that sent the pictures out. I don't know if you got the same ones I did.
I think I did, yeah. He's like got his glasses on and he's...
So we had the picture of that.
I got that.
Okay, and then this is his bike with the stuff. And our sniper seen him walking away from that, I believe.
Okay.
But he would be right inside that window. He's the one that physically seen this, sent the pictures, and called it out.
Okay, so and we have somebody detained, correct?
That I don't know.
People detained on this side.
So our guy that was just up here told me that there's a guy detained who's the owner of the bike. And I said, no, that's the owner of the bike.
Yeah, basically,
we've been up here, so we wouldn't know that information.
We just hauled ass. We got every day.
Got it.
We hopped up over.
Yeah, no problem. Is that all your stuff?
That was one of our.
Yeah, so someone came up looking to treat him and
Yes.
Copy. Gas is off to the building, just so you know.
Thank you.
BSD had some.
Yeah, they do. I talked to the guy. Those people detained were filming.
Water was notified. They authorized.
Maybe they were involved. Maybe they weren't.
Will start somebody.
Other than that, I haven't heard anybody.
But I think the guys that saw them filming were like, oh, they were filming us, and then filming the guy up on the roof, and then filming us, and then when the shots started firing, they like tried to run away. It was like, isn't that what everybody would do that ever saw? You know, I'm not saying they weren't filming, but you know what I mean? Like that.
It's up in the air right now, right?
Right. So I got no problem detaining them. Again, I'm just trying to detain those guys, find out what they know, who they are, whatever. I'm trying to get clear information to relay back to DC.
Bring control for the water tower.
We have one shooter deceased. I think we have 3 victims in the crowd. Did you guys hear that too?
That I'm not sure.
So I heard 1 deceased, 2 life flighted.
I know 2 helicopters did take off.
Yeah. Okay.
So I don't know how many victims.
Where you're
Delta 1 command. We have access to a drone. What is this water tower?
Any LE?
No. No, that's correct.
I will try to confirm.
That was one.
In the van.
Yeah.
Did he survive? Copy.
All right, you can see some of those tense moments immediately in the aftermath in Butler, Pennsylvania. This is the post from Chuck Grassley, the senator from Iowa, saying, "Knew my office has obtained documents from law enforcement on July the 13th, the assassination attempt of President Trump, writing the Secret Service Acting Director Rowe and the Secretary Mayorkas, again, to get badly needed answers and clarity on a very scary situation, terrifying." And of course, that was happening in real time there Of course, this was what transpired on July the 13th in this assassination attempt, and they did not know exactly what had happened, but the one shooter was neutralized. That the former President Donald Trump was the target of an assassination attempt at a rally just days before the Republican nomination. The FBI early after that identified the shooter as Thomas Matthew Crooks, 20, of Bethel-Page, Pennsylvania. Secret Service agents fatally shot Crooks, who attacked from an elevated position outside the rally venue at a farm show in Butler. One attendee was killed. 2 spectators were critically injured, according to authorities, all identified as men. The attack was the most serious attempt to assassinate a president or presidential candidate since Ronald Reagan was shot in 1981. So we're learning some new information about that here on Live Now from Fox, and we wanted to bring it to you as soon